said Dormaahene cancer who be prepare. Ubi and so Ubi and feeling the reason here Dormaahene Ubi and feeling the say Dormaahene Nana all Bono Pine out of Effaso. On some winning because I said no more. So I can say about Manshia National of Chiefs. A car pine penny done them. Ubi and Timmy Yanashin will be great idea. A signing Panania buying a biddy. This is a statement. Yeah. At the end, all Freeman or the officer, which let's say, Benishing. Now, why cry a person will be you? They're like, well, who conscience and I do it here. Even now, what do you say? So, yes, why is Sumahene? Sumahene cry, well, hey, Ghana, fine, dear, no, I mean, I probably pass you all yet.
Sumahene akasa na watwe intamu ama ohene bi ewo menhia abena no anasa ohene a osoma santeman abena no edi nka mumie nti asema Sumahene kan ni nti ohene no a osom santeman so mu aye odi ama Sumahene
nka nda bayo no boko ba show sister wa kofa bibi di aba ma wa ke ba sori se de o kam no sa na otie kenen wo ho e ba tie Osage from my pajama. Becca who has him, sir. Now, one of our sorry. Now, actually, may I tell you, I owe Tutu. I can come here. I say, see, and your son of us about them. Number one, regional minister. Son said, na se betna ha me bedi madi ati sei na me gitum keketna ha na maka ho hwe a na che se hufo de me ana e pese me ma ba bi owo bia otene ho ase preko pese bono ma nyo ne de na ondimi nyo ne de so da bibi bia di ho a e kire se ss ono ne kire de obedi regional minister wo bono se Otumfuo yire ye mbe no a eno ne oya asem abratie ba ya odi ne dwuma yi odi ne dwuma pepepepepe na se we o here na national house of chief ma gazette na wa ko traditional council tesa me de political ko di waji ma Jordan na actually you tell me the koye traditional council meeting police dey hold the meeting as a na mo task state of Parliament and this and this our treasure council meeting now groom asumdwe wo ho said Otumfuo ka say Sampa basabata ye bia ni ho ya adendiri wo kwa treasure council meeting a wo hia say police fo be ko jawo na che say Otumfuo asamba o ka no wo ya wirem wo a wo asumdwe wo Sampa basabasa bia ni ho aya da na wo hene de wo asiri no alcohol for your treasure council meeting ewa ahibia ohia police escort na se regional minister there mayor sa onyi a na wate no so atua pesemma JM oti esanse mrakwan so kra no me wakwan se mtu mampanyinfo nti se eka bibia for regional minister ho na so betu anabon bia fa ho a mesoma futuo ho hia the regional now the Dama, and our first regional minister, now, yeah, this is big out in money. Now, the honest and dry. Minimsa, Mampani or Yansani, other offers we and their mother, or any part to applicate issues.
Sir, Medicine way for Tua. Not famous, Sanaka, about Otumfuo, we are to say. Bono House of Chief, autonomous.
Asante Regional House of Chief. Parliament.
Into the young Nayapet near the Samra, I said, the area. ye mra ye be mra so ndi no be kire ya e be ye de se ye na mo bi am dimi na ba bi ya ba ye patapa na on ba tu mi bi de o be hunu na ye ya akoro ya tra ya akoro sa hunu na ye de mo o sare ko ka nchira
ya nyokutu ba bi ade the fan da da kwa bi sungutu kwa so da bi ye share wo regional house of chief e wo pono ni CD form e fe chieftaincy declaration form e be to ye ni my research committee hwe mu so fata e de to standing committee edim ye gitum ye patna general meeting ye ya wa ye fata ye bi o ba bi na ye gitum say ben gazette chira is
answer of attack
na ye de dira ko share gazette na other obet na ye bi mo ye ba ma on try obey ya ma ya kansem Asante ya make an assembly ye de go kumase na no ya wore ya na ye kumase na oki odikare no nko ho brada nko ho ukora ya woda mikodi asem national house no ka kwa ni twa on manhia ahemfie no ndam maka wo ya afia yes January na edru time abe national house wa mi ameke mesare makoho ye nana no mbeku hu nana ni betwa ne ti ni etwa ne hwewa sa oyo ho ya obakoso aye ho ya sa abere no na ye nkunimdie sa nnam okumase na ba twam ti na betwa hwewa de bia eye murder case ni nyina ne bebebe di bendimi vanga ba bodiri hu se ba ku ba di Sumahene so na sa ba no ma e kwara yenza ye nku biem ne ya nka be ma ba hu de dua ne ye wa bu di pen ofefa apomba ne bepombare ba du si akunwa so a na be de wo ma na ya hye wonsa wo ntinka wo koma wo hia bodyguard na mom so Otumfuo ahwe na ohutu nya ono anso ne hene na o si di Sampa no ne nsa na ono afa mra Sampa na o medi hene no because Sampa ene dia sa na oka nti sa Sampa ene dia asa sa ono aso ne hene ne nsa na ode ne bakuro ma na o kira ade che se me hene a mede na si Sampa kurusu ni aye ne sa ye de nidie ne bibia be ma esa se goka ayam yam kuro amanto bada ho 26 years me ka asem no wie ya me si hene no obeso awie me ya me so ne nsa de ne kokoro de ne ko kire ye police for ba ni machi nti ye dim se Otumfuo betimi aye de ekere saa afa so ne nsama oka odruba bi a aye se oka odruba bi a ore ye nim braso odruba bi so ore de tumi kere mbra ehon ya aye kere madwene kakra na no a present boko ne mampuzi asemi no ase constitution no ye nyina ye hyase enso na anu ya wa asada ko ka se ono ne na hene no so chere constitution eduba bia na ye contradictory ti ye bese no yo henkase nsem bi se no ense so ono aneka nka oma mrantie bi kura ne ka ya nka be correct na ne wa yiye se wa ko ka ya wa kan se de wa kan ni ya ka ho asem ye hu ne ka na ye te se ye ka se de opanyin kase ti masre no o ye henkase onhwe de a okane panyin kan dwama eyiye nyanse nyina ne se bi efiri panyina no mpanyimfo ne bekai akukọ bere onima adekye nso otie firi nyina no nti sa wo hwe na sa asem bi wo na wo ho ahonte a na wo de ama wa chiamfo na ba aka wanye yi a na ya abekora no ama wo na sa wo wo koto anim tuo na o kira se eduru ba bi we Ghana a wo ka asama akoto bi ya ntimi ntungu eduru ba bi so a wo se de akoto aka wo mampurugu ane boko asem no esese eye adwuma na ye nyina ye nhye mrase eduru ba bi na ye te se da odiem dia o se ye ma wutumi nka se ko duru obi diem dia wo ye mfa mra ndi no na Ghana ha bi so chere bia na ye nyina ye nipa before the law we are all equal, including the president, the chief justice, and every one of us must go under the law and the constitution of Ghana. No one is above it, and no one can be above it. Ya pesa ye kire say Ghana ha obia ni wa osuchen Ghana mrapanyin no. Chieftaincy act no eno ne a guarantee customs and tradition. na sa chieftaincy act no at 759 no ne ye nyina ye hyaase this Otumfuo sisa ono de no boroso de a de mpanimfo ho sepa na amanyofo ho so ho ne bibibia ho so na ho de tini fi ho je ne so nti ho aba ne ti ma ne de eno nti ne ma se na de ne ye ne se oso che ne ga na mra no nti ho amanyofo ho so ho ye careful
Ohene kasamitio Sumahene no nkomo no na yetie.
Yo, Sumahene nsem na obeka asisi ayi no. Nsem ni sa akwa emienu. Ba ko de obaye obeka kasa ntwe kakra. I mean kasa nsese obi a wo ye di kru se Suma hye wo sa do nye kru kase kru kitwa bi. So ade ase. Na wabetena mpanyi na wadwen ye wo se Dormaahene kansem hu bi nti wo so besua no waka bi. Na Dormaahene no nsem hu na okaye na wusua ka bi no. Ya na mpese mbuza nse oyeye no akosini sei. Me ya na me di hu ya we se de bia ni fa do so aka no. Ohun se politicians no they play the victim of all the cows e wo manim. They're supposed to be blamed. The Sumahene came. So no about mention National House of Chiefs. A car quite penny done them will be anti-me and a shame, will be great idea. A sandy panani are buying a biddy. This is a statement.
Yeah.
A dear Nana all Freeman or the officer, what you say.
Question was you busan say. A dear the bunny no could do, and I guess no one can tell if you House of Chiefs, yes,
the ambassador Michelin say. On one castanin some now or can so soon. The make Obiame was said to be according to no so Bokumas, Obia Yaneshi. Now, why cry a person will be you? They're like one who conscience and I do it here, even now. What you say? So, yes, why needs to mark in it? Sumana cry away, hey, Ghana, fine, dear, no, I mean, I have free hot yet. But you see, yes, now you are subjecting your small town to be ridiculed. What do you say?
I guess, Sabin Chowano, I guess, or share network on yes, sir.
Because Sumano Casano, when Robin the Sumani play in the Ghana, or Robin the Suma play, or no, Robin will play one moment or Obama Suma, maybe a Kagana Maya, and Untino, a man that audacity to talk trash. So what do you say? Because officer of Dormaahene council who be there, will be on the Sunday show. Will be feeling the reason here Dormaahene will be feeling say Dormaahene Nana all Bono Quine out of Effaso. And the Dormaahene why you be any day what can be one day. We give it over for feel equally to the what can be any day why you be a matter of time. What you say? The America said. It didn't be a whole few hours. Who said, "Ever to be with you." Now, you know, if you are not a quite cotton, I didn't want anything. So, I say, now, who you be angry because among four has heard many out of your mouth, who free among who free said, why you are an apostle. Say, do something to us when I will be angry, who you be a like there's no sympathy for you. If you are Sumahene in a social trend moving up, and then was starting arch or he can't see who we be arch. But the entire amount from an audience and they say, on whom so be a month I had too much, sir. In the Nigerian said, Obe free Ejina, Dormaahene some reasons why being acting in because if we said Dormaahene may acting in kind, I was our quite so. Say, Quan Papa Sue, say, Quan Bonisu, only the piece of Dormaahene you've been told to be Shannon, Efa. I don't know.
Yana, Menchawano, Yana, Sumahene, and Dormaahene. It's a Bakubi or Panini Bakubi Becahon, yes, on a Kintampo, and as a Mohene. Omokasa at the Asantehene to from we are almost say, oh, ye can history. And
it's about course I become
hey, a Panini Baku audio, ha, and Rebema made the best endo. A Panini Baku becahon. Ona Kintampo anase Mohene. Enya easy o, enya aho hugno so.
Enya kasa obi
Yeah, ni nyina ne say I was Asante top form no mo yekese. Na sabe yesa. Obi betuma bring Asante down.
Also Asante den.
Omunka saye mu no. It's as if say without them and there's no Asante. Yen ye say ma Asante. Yen ye say Kintampohene mpo de o say Kintampohene mpo de. If I'm not misquoting him, the audio is right before me. Yentie no kakra. Ma yentie Kintampohene kakra. Sabe ya me misquoting no.
Within the Osahene, Nana Kwakubusi Berea, Kintampohene, Mesom Mu Traditional Council, Nimu Traditional Area, Kintampo, ye move for. Na mebeka wabakosem bi a ontante. Na ifi abakosem. Mekase ifi a na me nananom edi mu atentemban. Enye abakosem a mete na abontene. Mete na abontene kura meti bi ka ho. Na mebɛkyerɛw abakɔsɛm kakra bi a kwan nam so a ɛyɛ Asantehene Kingdom no ano brase a ɛnam so ma 1896 ɛyɛ Britishfoɔ yɛtumi ɛbɛkyeree ɛyɛ Asantehene a ɛyɛ Nana Agyeman Prempeh a odi kan ɛde no kɔɔ exile. Ɛsan so ɛnam so afei 1900 1901 mu no ɛyɛ British for no annexe Asante de ka Gold Coast ho. Na neɛteɛ ne sɛ obi anim sɛ mu unim kora meka kyerɛ na yɛyɛ part of the Asantehene Council and the Asante Kingdom. Yɛsan so be members of the Asante Confederation. Na yɛbɛdɔn Asantehene Council no afei 1744 ɛna mu bɛyɛ full member of the Asantehene Council. Safi no anso mu na nkranza nso be member of the Asantehene Council. And yet ne say na members na ye nyina ye som Asante no. Say afeso a ye wo tribute, brunifene tribute. A ye de ma ye Asante. A ye de ma council no. Na ye de bo council no ho bra. E bi ni say ye contribute to nipa to form an army to defend a year Asante territory. Anamu nkranza bandano mina na yeka ho as Samre no, and greater part of the Bono ahafo, or if not all, most of them were members of the Asantehene Council as at that time. Nti obia yetuatua sane ma no nti afe 1893 mu no ema ɛyɛ nkranza hene a na efro Nana Kofifa, that is Nana Kofi Ifa. Na Nana oyɛ nkranza hene obetua atua sɛ saa nneɛma na afi bia Asante ɛgye no ontua na nkranza ne ɔno amaka ne nyina atua ɛyɛ na Asante mom na di gyi din sɛ ɛyɛ Asante na ɔno ho ɔden ɛyɛ sika kɔkɔɔ nom ne nipa ayɛde form army a yɛde kɔkɔ na akofoɔ warriors. Nti Kofifa tuatua sɛ nya de obetua saa nneɛma no na afi bia betwa ho meba na aso. You have to contribute 30 people, a money member. And one of the secrets in so na beda eti nti na Kofifa eti atua se wontua ne se most of nipa na all the other we no contribute as the form army no na Asantehene na mo ton bi the mass slavery. That is one of the secrets. Nti beti atua se nya de obetua sande no nti ema ye fe ne sen Asante edi okon kese pa edi ba nkranza so. They wage war against nkranza. Na Nana Agyeman Prempeh na oyɛ Asantehene. Nti okon no ɛyɛ Asante hene ni allies ana wɔn a ɔbo Asante ɛbɛka Asante ko no na bandafo ka ho. Ɛyɛ Kolongu a yɛfrɛ mo Sekwa. A na mo yɛ Sekwa fui. Ɔno mbo Asante. Ɛna ɛyɛ Mu ɛne Abase yɛgyi ɛtabubu. Praenom ɛbɛboa nkranza Emu no ɔno ma ɔboa nkranza kɛse paa yɛ mu ne abase. Ɛna yɛboa nkranza kɛse paa. Na ɔtaate ɛsɛ nkranza Asante wɔ no Asantefo di nkunim. Ɛnyɛ no korɛ saa. Kane no yɛsɛ obi so nkunim wɔ ɔko mu a na sɛ wa capture ne territory ne nsase nyinaa. Wa capture n'ahemfo na ne warlords. But we ebi sense. Nti na mmom ne yɛsii yɛ ne sɛ ɔko no yɛde bɛtoa a ɛyɛ Asante de ko no bɛtoa a nkranza mpofrem. Nti ɛma nkranza kuro ne saa mpɛtɛ mu hɔ deɛ Asante ekonkaa hɔ hyehyee hɔnom ma nkranzafo no dwane. Nti ɔko no mu ɛbɛyɛ den no nea me nananom kaeɛ ne sɛ ebeduru ɔko no baa yɛ ebeduru Sabule area hɔ no na Nana Mohene ano ne Nana Kwame Tio ɛma instructions sɛ Asante ɛyɛ yɛmpani efisɛ na yɛsom Asante. Nti yɛnhwɛ na yɛnkum Asantefoɔ no. Ne mmom no yɛmmɔ ho ban sɛ ɛbɛyɛ Asante nso ntumi nkum nkranza. Montie ne yie. Na mo yɛyɛ part of the Asante Council. Nti yɛmfa ne sɛ Asante n'akɔla na yɛ nkranza. Nti obediscipline nkranza for insubordination. Nti obediscipline nkranza ɛna yɛn nso ne yɛsom Asante. Ɛna nso yɛsɛ nkranza nso yɛyɛ nuanom. Di yɛmpene ma akɔ sɛ o papa ɛbɛbu wo nua a otwitwa agye wo nua no. Saa na ɛkɔyɛ. Nti ebe wiase no ɔko no beduru Sabule no ɛna Mofoɔ ɛsan nea yɛhene Nana Kwame Tio kan yɛ nti no ɛma yɛtumi surround Asantefoɔ no disarm ɔnom gyegye ɔnom tu. Saa mmerɛ no na wɔdi ka sɛ nkranza and other places. Na nea yɛyɛ ne sɛ Bandahene ɔbaayɛ saa mmerɛ no bɛboa yɛ no. He was brought down by Mo. Ɛm sɛ Mofoɔ bebree nim saa bakɔsɛm no. Ɛyɛ yɛne Nafanafoɔ ntɔkwa. Kyara for na yɛkuru bi a yɛfrɛ hɔ Kyara ɛyɛ Mo Nifahene ne kuru ɛne Kyara ɔnom ɛna ɔnom de Asante ɛyɛ Nafanahene no ɔmo brɛ n'ase ɛna Kolongo hene no nso ɔbaayɛ no ɛyɛ Sekwa hene no ɔno nso ɛyɛ Sabulefoɔ ɛna ɔnom nso brɛ n'ase. Mmom no nipa ɔyɛ adwuma no nyinaa no na ofiri busuama ma okuru busuama. Nti ɔde ne pɔnkɔ dwane no ɛna Sabulefoɔ ɛso ne mu bɔkɔɔ. Nti nea mepa kyerɛ nyinaa ne sɛ yɛ disarm Asante warriors no ɛma yɛgyae ɔmo sɛ ɔnom nkɔ. Nti ɔnom kɔduruiɛ no na adeɛ ma Asante yɛ more powerful nyinaa na yɛ ɔnom atu. Na ɔmo wɔ saa mmerɛ no bɛka sɛ ɔmo wɔ sophisticated weapons. Na other ethnic group and tribes no na yɛnni saa atu no. Ɛsiane sɛ yɛn nyinaa contribute sika no a na yɛde ma Asante ne Asante akɔtɔ atu no afiri Britainfoɔ hɔ na ɔmo abɛboa no ntɔkwa si a na ɔnom a yɛde ɔmo akɔ atiri ne ɔmo ha soldiers no ne yɛakyerɛ ɔmo kwan a bɛfa so ato owie ntɔkwa no na yɛagye tuo no. Nti Asante was the only place a atuo no wɔ. Nti Mofoɔ bɛnya access to those guns. Ne mmom no they buried the guns. Na ɛtoa so no ɛma atuo no a na Asante anya access no ɔmo soma spies ɛba Asante kwa no mbɛ spy ya sɛ bɛyɛ a bɛhu sɛ atuo no wɔ ha nso because the guns were buried. And in fact, according to me Nana no, they buried the guns without the consent of even Mohene Nana Kwame Tio. He wasn't even aware say move for this amamo atuo no buried because na Asante who so Asante be who say move for na yes na they may fight against us. But fortunately no. And unfortunately for Asante no, Omano Brase. Nti ema afe 1896 British for no eweji wo ti Asante no. Na Asante enni akode bebree te se ne na wo no. Na saa akode no nso no na ne dodoɔ no ɔmo to free British for no hɔ ɛde sika kɔkɔɔ ne nipa ɛyɛ exchange of guns ne ne keka ho and see anso no mo ne British for nso na nyɛ where will you get access to guns nti ma Asante bɛyɛ weak nti ɛno nam so ma Nana Prempeh was captured so easily ama ɛde no kɔ exile ɔne Nana Yaw Sammor-Duah II actually and didi so ama ɔmo bɛ annexe Asante because na Asante was so powerful say they resisted every attempt of say British for no be di ɔno so agovern Asante which we were all part which we all contributed to your move for we contributed in forming the Asante army the Asante enka obi abakosem they want to bury everybody except DS in the formation of the Asante kingdom, no. They buried everybody's history except Onomomodi.
I'm like, wow. What kind of history is this? What kind of history?
Osei, omu free him Asante.
Omanfa omu military support na ma. And then any one or two roles be no mu play in the Asante Council in Tina. Ma the confederation here then. Enyina. Edi demand and ma above no to me was Asantefo so because when it comes to military power, now you move for no and then for. Yeah. Well, there, let's continue with Sumahene. I'll find time and we go into the Kintampohene.
The problem is if you are no more kind of great. Every so on some running because I said no more. So I say. But you see, assembly, I don't see why you can't say maybe I don't see it. And I make one. It's Ghana, they are my dog. Yen cry, history will be nearby. Now, Maria, what is here? Move for Ghana, Omaku suggest Amukonka here, Unimbi, will be to my mammy, educating me.
On a cry, no Henry statement in the mono. Also, they joined Asante in 1857 as 1843. That time, the council was already there.
Now, even those the council were 1853 was saying, when you come Asante Kosa, now you call a Kwan Kasa 17th Ubano.
Asante had gone to many wars. Now Asante and Son of Pessoa say when they came as a military backup, no, and Asante military intelligence in the name Asante support no when it comes to
war move for Asante
and then I best ordinance later.
You see, the question we say. Any move for no 7 you move when you know me said you in any kind. You interested. And I said, Fisa Kamusha here. What you say? And see, I'll be very cautious if I'm speaking to the people of Mu. And I mean too much about Mu anyway. It might be a certain people be a Mu be a Bono and a half, and I'm Bono area. Now, the entire maker say, you know, say, constantly, no, any penny be a margin say, Dormaahene ye, or ye, no, Yansa then feel papa, won't you say? Inti, Omu say, Abe
no.
Trendy na, Ubia Abe Faso a trendy. Now, me, dear me do mu ya okay, see ye, Omampany Kushwa do Mahama, me, you know. We should be our costume, the costume will be a trim. Any dear, he will be our castle, he will be my, he will be our Sabeka Kamona. And the kind of audience be our politicians, Nedema Muntia. And to be a fool, so with my Caribbean free inquisition. I said, I mean, Efa. So, yes, I very hardly say. Or he be a one the queer, officially, a woman shall baby. The Nigerian say, Oh, my main son was a Symbia and American. We are machine.
But just as you are blaming these politicians, Mampanyini Mahama and Nana Akufo-Addo, is there not a reason to also blame everybody to say the newly enthroned Sampa the appeal court judge Samgba Gyafla II or the personal assistant issues bar Okasa? The PA has been doing his best. But obiti say Nana Samgba Gyafla amamre na man ye kwan so on kasa ada emfa de ekoso no. Just as you are blaming politicians, onye sure say I was say mention directorate, like there should be a simple press conference by Penyinibi and historians with official archives. Official archives is the phrase here, pointing to some intro any contemporary any pebi a chafa santon.
Na Mr. Charles, TV dana and I say
okay.
Let be a teacher can thank about the details of all the histories of Santiago. Omoba with the alliance of Asante. A happy year. You see, Asante is not only a certain dominant people are. Almost civilization, no, and yet no assembly canoe. Money be able to move. And they want to conquer and rule. And they were needed of more military men at that time. So, I'm about to know about two society. You can buy the moment you don't want another war. So, the make what I say. And Asante is not. They didn't kill us now in Team Jackery, no, you know. In Team Jackery, we do so. I know women in what I say. Your control room was no. The is a person your my Cassia, you couldn't pass her. Your first time, dear Betty, your first time, Betty, you couldn't pa. It is strategically no. The Asantes developed that mindset. And I discover no more country could do so. Then they honored you to the empire. So what you say? After we feel the back, they want to come home. And you see Asantehene. What you say? The word Asantehene has a reason of calling it Asantehene because and this of a will be a choir of fast to obey Asantehene. Young time. Oh, you know, so I could change, you know, I was say Asante to Nin Kaye.
A big cry say Asante Pesa overcome history. Almost say Asante Form Pesa a bit become history. They don't want them to tell their history. So this is who we are.
Now the whole guy know one of the history. I was at Asante. And then I make a show say, Nippon go you'll be honest, you see person can Sampa. What you say? You'll be a point of view of a kind of Symbia, the person is entitled to. But what really matters is to speak the truth. What you say? All kind of credit will be anyhow. Maybe Asantehene, let me first Antigame. Let me Marco school, let me name me history. Many can say will be free Dormaahene, but Asante history. No, so we said Dormaahene. I don't need you. At my age, say me name me history there. Then I have a problem. And I say me name me history there. The infant me tell me history in free. Was it the right sources? Has that history been in existence for so many years? I reform very clearly, so I confirm that this is the real history of these people. To say, when you're asking me free, what do you say? I know we are already starting up on Queenmother City, apata bi himself friend who on him sama walker. Only the small friends out in the class. On any getting upon him. So, and the first answer the friend is the grass. So much Yana Safu Namu cancel. And go baby, Nemo. Say no, can I do pepper so be as I said, you and no, and now cassette. Gamensian pet, Bemensian every day. But I know Muntina as a Mensiak issue be almost irrelevant. Emma Mensia. To them, almost Mensian said they are not resistance to the Shia, that those people are not resistance to them. And America said, you will be a person in Sakabia, they have a kind squarely, equally at the right time. Don't you say? Say, only Asante, who's Asante no? Okay, so Mammy can be a credible. Asante, yea, Idi Ankasa, Mini, say, Yanya, Ubia, Ubit Makaya for Modikiku. Idi, that is what it means. Now, say, I go for Nipo, they are refrake any pound. Into my young Nipa will be refused. Asante phone and make us say, you know, dear bit Messiana. Mina be a chase, say, you could really say, what you say? Baby, again, almost say, in this our dispensation, no, we are living in a democratic weather. Because you be a bit making was no upon the side of the beginning. The Krubit is Russia and Ukraine talk of Muki. And yet, only democracy, yeah, practice Biano Muzo, Yan to about Unipanto. And one day, it escalates. And that escalation nearby, military men, whoever, couldn't stop it. So it takes the whole world to sit upon those matters, seeking for peace for the people of Ukraine and Russia, for Ukraine to be precise. But seminal, they could have stopped it earlier. What you say? It is Sumahene, Dormaahene, seminal. In terms of capacity, strength, finance, omnishe, population, omnishe. Oteoya Grafahene, Unica pre. Anwada, Obenya Sikaka crowd, but social media, no what Mika said. They said we will scatter them account. Until you could see, say, from nowhere, no, they are still where they are. Only to me, Asantehene, no. The first one makers I know. Mini say, and penny first one by so where I know you. What you say? Asantehene, Asubina, they be all pure organ and Patenu Bia. Asantehene, only interest to be able to see one now will be uncruising, will be interested. And so, and penny first year is over here, they are so I say. And they are what it is saying. We don't free the beer, so I know what need to be ready. And then the Asano. You go the friendly character, I think how making your cameras and guide about Asantehene who was added a mean to my name. Now, me didn't ban what I came with you. Now, go to Asante with your huge population, Ghana, open tribe by your door supply Asante and any other tribe. In Asante for your young Okufuria, Ian, what I go. 34 now. I will Okufuria, and I am a Friday. I will go. I am okay.
And a great.
They say, you can say, you go when you want to go, you cannot make a. I'm a Mura,
Pepe.
The open source of Sampa, seminal, or so can be not a kind of big art. Obviously, the Nana Ama. Intimate. So what you say? It was Asantehene our huge responsibilities to think about. And yes, Sumahene and then Osei could be the Kintampohene who's the way.
Yeah.
And they said, Dormaahene, they said, no more can, I want Asantehene. No man, say, One day. Let you win answer. The whole Ghana said it. You're resting now. Upon our show now, I critical. One day. The best year resting now. I upon our show now, I critical. Sana Ghana be down the phone. The players and my don't be fast. Now, they are on TSC, they are no idea to reach my army action. On TSC. So, what you know, say, Ghana, your military, your police, you hide behind them. Maybe they won't get the numbers that time to defend you. Because Asantes, when they are coming, they will come fully. You can escape. They are one for how am and so, any baby, your more answer one day, BBC. That the Columbus is the BBC one day, Sampa. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Only say any baby a pushy for independent Asante state. Like, said they be a cast Asante your mind. Only so say. The Nipane be more general, the chiefs in the be more general, a thought provoking and a bit more triggers are independent Asante state. No,
Asante no, say a very independent, no, Asante on his own, dada. But don't tell me.
with you.
Say a bit trigger, almost no. Almost some non consent to me, a mass and take to that extent, and push us to that extent. Same question, full bintino, then you see no. Asantehene or no, I mean, can't same way. Once and for all, they are highly blessed. Tutu, Asantes, no, they are highly blessed. And you're blessed by mere talking keku. Asante mano, omuma, Asante ma. So we Asante omuna Ghana finance no omune control. Mamin ko details ni tin yi. Uni say asenfo nyina we Asantefo. Kifu pra so asenfo su hwan mu nyina so we Asantefo. Bebia Asantehene na mutu koya o makotene bi o koya adefo. They don't go and be beggars. But as some makaifo ni di akiri.
Yeah.
Kwafo we Asantefo, omukoye no mankoye beggars, omankoye dependent. They are on their own. In fact, omuti what you say? Oba no aba. Ushe Asen area Kushia eko nyina omu ye typical Asantefo. Eno na nchen a ye wa Asantehene mu a ye de yentu emfiri because of war no yanka ho ni yentu ni ntia eka ho no. Yesusu no yenye dependent. But they make a follow story na make.
Your analogy pa.
So omu na na mo hira omu free tete na e hira do omu chi no omu de ko. It is your time. Say again, I will tell you because they are highly blessed. And you're one. So what it means is that the Ghana Asantefo control over 70% financing in the country. Asantes. And nobody can dispute it. And on channel, they have the numbers, they have the population in Ghana now. Asantes has the population, whether you like it or you hate it. A fact. Third, omuna the authoritative tribe, the ombekana fana, whether you like it or you don't like it. It is also start reminding now obia ye perceive equal society, equal ideology, equal advice, not equal contribution of ideas. That's also pushy the button of war, said the Bimra. But see one day, any too far, the youth will begin to rise and nobody can control them anymore. They are affecting the most. That's another soldiers new police now who hide behind, Abba, so me at the new Asantes now, near it. And so man to me the next level no ansha unya peace at any of your places to hide. Na ubia wish ni say endru but enipa mu bi no on pese dru. Na enipa bia whatever you wish you get it. Sana me the minimum no. The Asantes no, they are highly blessed. In fact, they are very highly blessed.
Yeah. Dear in Cranshassam, and I say, something about Pastor Catcher Santamano Pimso, I fear Bessimin. Say, Santamano, Ejina Quano, and it be a person almost sorry. To them, no, almost sorry, Asanteso. But I'm not sure so almost sorry, Ankasa. They are just on social media talking. A dear some no catch us Santamphone and Santamine.
Okay, so Ira, and then 31st December. And you know, am I Asantehene, and in a mine, I wish you a happy new year. I would try Omania. I'm retenting, and be cancelling. Dormaahene, and your Monty in an say. So I would train your own coso and family. Na Uncle so, Nanam, any also in Nanam coso in Shiraum. Among some two, you know, so mututi among coso in Shiraum. Now, my Indian, you won't need the omoted say Omkrum. Nini Padima, no Muslim, Omura, or Pemso Setuno, and coso in Yakasi. Naya, a Krumani Timam, a Yukrunima. Any omino, if you are too mining, you see for bullying the Cassia Mom sense, or when I say a coin for the need my penny. Because I baby our hemens, ya. Omotana, feku, what I say. Na feku be our feku tree. Nampo so can be a body for feku tree sooner, or the trigger, a chimpany d. And no nine channel. A mine henno, and a tea any moon, and a decrufono, a too much, an ameboa. No, bring pon and the kidding you and no natural and send a bush penny for a bush for not to know which. I don't know a natural. I'm coming enough for a boom, Tommy Abesom Sant, and Omudi Omun and Muyami Buama or Santamura. So what it means is that structures are master tea, and which the quiet fossil didn't give my penny. Pono, we are my hinati truna, and Nipakoto Musoro Buam, Omut says, Omuntono. Omuba, Omu demonstrate where you didn't give my penny. Almost in the map Asantehene, your Asante Mera, Intino, Media. The mechanism of Gopon Coso, Aisha Santimano, Santamai, Cassiano, Amoroso. Not the old Santimano, Omu dear, Opesu. Dear Omu Person, the Yangopon Mumu. The Ombeson better and no better. Now, Obi Beer will be Matrani Potum. So free and so things, I mean, Santamai. Error shoulders. Obejina and you run out so because Asante Mano, they are deeply rich. And yes, Otumfuo would sika or no one would siku. Asante Mano, they have been blessed with riches and good health. You know. Amanyona, Omuya, na I saw time you Asante. Into Munina Sinkete say Asante Kai Konin Puntu, Omun Pesebaso. Na and now can a beomu and chibia Santamine best time say advice ye in tell me the reason tell me the second. Na and no maybe Atisia can be a man of falling person by Ama Santamino. Yet you can share a coin for Swaye. The Anian Sabeka, ye, not a shot Santamino. If he said it is long overdue, said Asante, Ebema, politicians, no. Sa religion na omudi ayensim uninsim against ye Asante by the backing of a certain no maybe a nipa bi on here a society go nipa go ha so dini na no dini no kasa busan say and sensiane ben impunto ben awon so die ben ena ni kuro na ye free no so on che bi mienwe enra seb enra senrich Dormaahene on sensiane a oh yeah. Already, you will be first and Tigamino. ɛno nko ana hɔ ɛma me nka sɛ sɛbi de dwabɛhene yɛ no ɛnyɛ no kora me sɛ no kora no dwabɛhene de wabu akyerɛ the whole Aimahene bi sɛ he can do even more than what he's doing. So what's happening? Dwabɛhene on kasa bebrebe on principle na or what it takes to talk no it doesn't talk. So what's happening? Dwabɛhene no or what it takes to talk no it doesn't talk at all. Sakra nanga obetima kasa isan se one de the original so kasa man yi na Asante gabe employer how can we na apa kan yi na abu never compare Asante gabe e fa mpuntu ne kese yo ne fe ene jise pa o hindi gu akwan enye kuma se fa compare Asante gabe se o de compare bi ya o de wa hwe sa nkrimi ensan bo odin kusen fa mo say fa no
Kintampo
but you see and you Kintampo kruma na eyesa obonko na nipa bi have position bi and original the position so no dey create enmity between the people of Kintampo and other tribes. They make what you say boko na sanity boko no yes affability you know every man trying to say I go on goso Asia Santamai na Antonio saying the Odiamano on goso empty no man about tre because it's people are which I won't say what say you because we were in Sweden not I any kabi na 2026 there you become you you're ready be free maba nenye nshirama Ghana ma Asantehene Ghana menyina tana metimaka
na se Dormaahene ka se obeche Otumfuo na ntwemi no na boko conflict se etwatwa ma kusasefo krompo ahye mo fa ne samampi no o ma hyesa afa no ma yente se tuo bi ato anase bibia si oboko enso na ntwemi no ne mayo
onkuni na ntwemi
onkuna de anyi
onkuna de anyi se kusasefo so mo na ntwe chen Dormaahene ana amebwa
pepepe
to be che Otumfuo na ntwe a enye obi a yaka samama asumdua ba ne kum na ba be che na ntwe wa wote baabi enti omutiri mu ponisen ka asumdue maboko no saa de owishi ma onwa no oma na beba omuso na me wishi ivo emma doma kruma no because e bia no kruma no de omo hene ne ye no bebre wu a omo bonyo so omo ne nyo ho nanso obere no akoka o ti ase yaso so no de ono ko wishi senka emra na nka asumdue ma aboko kruma no okufo so enya asumdue a eye nti no me de kakra metimaka no
yo ohene beda wase se na oje mra ne yedi nkomo
onkuni na ntwenye me so me da wase pa
tu kese onkuni na ntwenye obi beche santemewra na ntwi a se be de nka enamo
pepe nam so no enye na mbia na yewe
ati ase ohene da wase biom da se ne besa ba onchen
me da wase